And as soon as this guy tries to kill somebody. All right, it's dark 30. Wow, dark 30. It's 6 a.m. It's early. I hate getting up this early, but today is the first Cars and Coffee at Canepa Motorsports in Scotts Valley. So we're gonna go out there and check out all the cool cars. Days like this, I wish I drank coffee, but I don't. Let's get the hell out of here. And let's wake up the neighbors and really make the neighborhood happy. Here goes Squeaky. All right. Yep, and here's our ride for the day. It's a 1973 Fiat 124 sedan special. It is a 1400cc single cam engine, 4-speed. I love this thing. Had it for about 3 years, but it's kind of time to get something else, so it is definitely for sale, but one of my favorite cars that I've ever had. All right, so here we are. It's the first inaugural of the year, 2018. Canepa Motorsports, Cars and Coffee, here in Scotts Valley, California. It is 7:15 a.m. The show is open until 8 o'clock, and we are packed. And let's go walk around and look at some of the cars. Okay, am I the only person that thinks the front end of this Camaro looks like the back end of the new Civics? With all of these lips and these winglets? Does this not remind you of the back end of the new Civic? Everybody wants to have some coffee, as this line will now attest. They no longer care about cars. It's all about the coffee. Skylight. Skylight? Oop. Donut on my finger. Oh, it was delicious. And this is the showroom. These are all the vehicles for sale here at Canepa Motorsports. All sorts of really crazy stuff. Speedsters. Well, this is not a speedster, obviously. This is a coupe, but lots of Porsches, other exotics, motorcycles, etc. So we got a 427 Cobra, a Testarossa, a rather ugly purple Triumph Stag, lots of Porsches, 300 SL convertible, and one of the many 959. And as if one 959 wasn't enough, there is a white one. Back there's a black one, and over there is a red one. So that's 4 959 so far. We're now upstairs in the Canepa Motorsports Museum, which is filled again with all sorts of interesting cars. Lots of them that Bruce himself has driven, a lot of Porsches. There is the infamous Pikes Peak hill climb truck, and just lots of crazy stuff, including this crazy Shelby Super Snake dragster. This rail is insane, and they've actually fired it up before, so it's really crazy. Those of you that might remember, this is the Terrell six-wheeler.
I'm a simple man.
I might have found one of the coolest vehicles here today. At least to me, it's hidden in the back here. It is the GoPro Land Rover Defender 110, and it is just absolutely badass. And by far one of the prettiest cars ever made, Lamborghini Miura. Just a timeless, classic design, just epitome of coolness. Especially if you ever seen The Italian Job and they crushed it in the beginning of the movie, which was just heartbreaking. All right, kids, on that note, we are going to head out of here and go have brunch in Capitola, and then go do some wine tasting and enjoy this beautiful day. The next event, I believe, will be in July. It's the second Saturday. And before we go, look, a Messerschmitt. This is a really cool vehicle. It's a